So now we will be testing the different waters that are running out of the machine of the ionizer. So this is our testing kit. So we are preparing for all the tests right now. First we are taking the tap water.
Testing.
We will test the tap water right now first. That's where we have kept the tap water. You can see the display now where it is mentioned the setting has been changed to 8 to 8.5 pH of alkaline water, which is coming out of this blue pipe, and we will be testing that now along with the tap water that we have already collected. So the first tube has got the tap water, and the second tube has got the tube which has got the 8.8 or 8.5 pH of alkaline water. And now we have already changed the settings again to collect 9 or 9.5 pH of water. You can see that meter changing here. There we are collecting the 9 or 9.5 pH of water. And the third test tube is of 9 or 9.5 pH of water. Now we are changing the settings again. Now we have changed the settings to 9.5 to 10.5 pH of water. There you can read. Now we are collecting 9.5 to 10.5 pH of water. So the third tube in the center is the 9.5 to 10.5 pH of water. Now we have changed the settings again to 10.5 pH plus of water. There it is. The setting has been changed. And now we are collecting the 10 to 10.5 pH plus water in the bigger test tube. We are collecting the water from the wastewater pipe, which will be of very less pH. So in this test tube we have collected 2.5 to 3 pH of water. So the testing kit has got all sorts of waters right now. This is the pH tester liquid. This is the first tube which was containing the tap water. The second tube which was containing 8 to 8.5 pH of water. The third one 9 to 9 pH of water. The fourth one is 9.5 to 10 pH of water, and it is 10 plus water, the fourth one. In the extreme right has got the pH which is lesser than 5, between 2 to 3 pH, 2.5 to 3 pH. So we have shaken the first test tube and it has been showing a light green color. We are now shaking the second test tube. It is showing light blue color. The third test tube after shaking shows about a little darker blue color. fourth
almost violet,
is almost violet.
light violet.
There you can see the color differences. And after shaking
Dark violet.
the fifth one, we can see the dark violet. The extreme right will show you almost a golden color of water. Okay, now can you please explain what it is?
With this water jet you can see the pH value. This is yellow, almost you can say some between 3 to 4 pH water is this.
Okay.
This is natural water, 7 pH, which is collected from tap directly.
Water.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is 8 to 8.5 pH color, value, which is already matched with 8 to 8.5 in between.
Okay.
This is about
10.
9.5 and 10.
Okay.
This is about 10.5 and 11 between.
Okay.
And this is, you can say, almost 12.
Almost 12 pH.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the pH
This
color
is
code,
the pH
and
color
this
code.
water is completely matched with this code.
Okay. So this is the water matching with the code colors which are available on the machine.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. So we can see the micro clustering happening here with the 8 to 8.5 pH of water which is now running out.
No, this is 10 pH water.
Oh, this is 10 pH water. Okay. We are testing this with turmeric right now.
Yeah.
So we have put the turmeric in the normal tap water here. And now in the 10.5 pH of water we have added the turmeric. हल्दी मिलाई है 10.5 pH के पानी में, और उसके बगल वाले ग्लास में यहाँ पर नॉर्मल नल के पानी में हल्दी मिलाई थी. आप दोनों में कलर डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं. इसका क्या मतलब होता है सुनील भाई?
ये जो हम लोग जो बोलते हैं कि भाई 6x हाइड्रेशन है अल्कलाइन वाटर का एज कम्पेयर टू नॉर्मल वाटर, सो दिस इज द प्रूफ. अभी इसमें जो हल्दी डाला था वो सब नीचे सेटल हो गया है.
अच्छा.
और पानी ने उसका कलर नहीं खींचा है. इसमें भी नीचे सेटल हुआ है, पर उसका पूरा एक्सट्रैक्ट जो है ना
वो पानी
ने खींच लिया.
जो कुरकुमिन जिसको बोलते हैं वो जिस ऑरेंज वाले पानी में है, हल्दी का एक्सट्रैक्ट.